Hey guys, Garland here with HTCmuseum.com. Today I have for you the unboxing of the HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G. Now, as far as I'm aware, this is the only phone HTC released in 2021 in Europe. So let's see what they're up to in 2021. You can see we got the blue variant, not the white one. Back of the box, specs. Let's get inside. There's the phone right on top. Nice to see they're still using the same foil wrapping they were using way back in the day. There's the device. You can see those sort of rose gold colored accents. Quite nice. Man, I haven't unboxed an HTC phone since like the Desire I all the way back in, what was it, 2014 I want to say. So it feels good, man. It feels good to be back. Let's see what else they put in the box for us. Now just, does this come out? Nope, apparently not. Alright, let's see, tons of stickers with serial info. Cool little HTC sticker though. Glad they're still doing that. Yeah, these are just warranty labels. Shade blue is the official name of this color. So that's interesting. Let's see what else is in here. SIM eject tool. Quick start guide. All the usual sort of rubbish you're not gonna read. We have headphones with USB-C connector, USB-C to USB-A cable, and a quick charge block, I'd imagine. Let's check that out. Yeah, 12 volts, 1.5 amps, 18 watts. So this will be quick charge 3, I imagine. That's about your lot. Nothing else in the box. Let's get that out of the way. Take a look at the phone. Yeah. See if we can get it out of its wrapping. Would you look at that? Wow. HTC, man. Even for a mid-ranger, this phone feels quite nice. Empty on the left side, only a SIM card slot. USB-C port on the bottom. All your buttons on one side, which I'm not a big fan of, but whatever. And nothing on the top except the microphone. Let's turn it on, see if it's got some juice. Ah, still the same boot animation they used on the HTC 10. Interesting. That's new though, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon. Didn't see that one on the 10. Well, there's a notification light on it. Interesting. I don't know if you can see that, but top right hand corner is a little red LED flashing, so I'm imagining the battery is going to be pretty dead. Let's see if it even powers up. Usually if it's flashing red, that's not a good sign. Means you're like 5% and under, I believe. Oh yeah, that thing is toast. Well, looks like we're gonna have to charge it, so that's it for this video. Subscribe to HTC Museum, visit htcmuseum.com for more content. And yeah, until the next one.